As we step into a new era of technological innovation, AI-powered robots are poised to revolutionize our daily lives by 2030. Imagine waking up to a world where your morning coffee is brewed by a smart robot, your home is cleaned by an autonomous vacuum, and your groceries are delivered by drones, all seamlessly integrated into your routine. AI is transforming everyday tasks, making them more efficient and less time-consuming. From personal assistants that manage your schedule to robots that can cook gourmet meals, the possibilities are endless. For tech enthusiasts, this is an exhilarating time to explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping our interactions with machines. The advancements in AI are not just about convenience. They are about enhancing our quality of life. As these technologies become more sophisticated, they will take on roles that require emotional intelligence and adaptability, making them invaluable companions in our homes and workplaces. Understanding these advancements is crucial for future preparedness. As AI continues to evolve, it will impact various sectors, from healthcare to transportation, and even education. By familiarizing ourselves with these changes, we can better navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Embracing AI-powered robots is not just about keeping up with technology. It's about shaping a future where humans and machines collaborate to create a more efficient and enriched life. So let's dive into the fascinating world of AI and discover what the future holds. The rise of AI-powered robots. The evolution of AI-powered robots has been nothing short of remarkable, driven by rapid technological advancements that have made these machines smarter and more capable than ever before. Over the past decade, breakthroughs in machine learning, computer vision, and natural language processing have paved the way for robots to perform complex tasks with increasing autonomy. These innovations allow robots to learn from their environments, adapt to new situations, and interact with humans in more intuitive ways. Take, for instance, Boston Dynamics Spot, a four-legged robot designed for versatility and agility. Spot can navigate challenging terrains, perform inspections, and even assist in construction sites, showcasing how robotics can enhance productivity and safety in various industries. Similarly, Tesla's Optimus, an ambitious humanoid robot project, aims to revolutionize labor by taking on repetitive tasks in manufacturing and logistics, thereby freeing up human workers for more creative endeavors. These examples illustrate how AI-powered robots are becoming integral to sectors such as healthcare, agriculture, and logistics. In healthcare, robots assist in surgeries and patient care, improving outcomes and efficiency. In agriculture, autonomous drones and robots are optimizing crop management and harvesting processes. As these technologies continue to evolve, they will not only reshape industries but also redefine the way we live and work, making it essential for us to stay informed about their development and potential impact on our future. AI and home automation. By 2030, AI robots are set to revolutionize home automation, transforming our living spaces into smart, efficient environments. Currently, devices like Amazon Echo and Google Nest are already paving the way for this future. These smart home assistants allow users to control lighting, temperature, and security systems with simple voice commands, creating a seamless and intuitive experience. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated devices that will integrate with our daily routines. Imagine a home where robots take on the bulk of household chores, from vacuuming and mopping to laundry and dishwashing. With AI-powered robots, tasks that once consumed valuable time will be managed effortlessly. For instance, a robot could learn your cleaning preferences and schedule, ensuring that your home remains spotless without you lifting a finger. This level of automation will not only save time, but also reduce stress, allowing families to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time together. The convenience and efficiency brought by these technologies will redefine our expectations of home life. Picture coming home to a perfectly organized space, with the temperature set just right and your favorite music playing softly in the background, all thanks to AI robots working behind the scenes. As we embrace these advancements, our homes will become more than just living spaces. They will evolve into personalized sanctuaries that enhance our comfort and well-being, making everyday life smoother and more enjoyable. Healthcare revolution. The integration of AI robots into healthcare services is ushering in a transformative era that promises to enhance patient care and improve surgical outcomes. One of the most notable advancements is the Da Vinci surgical system, a robotic surgical platform that allows surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with unparalleled precision. This system enhances the surgeon's capabilities, providing a 3D view of the surgical site and allowing for greater dexterity. As a result, patients experience shorter recovery times, reduced pain, and fewer complications, showcasing the profound impact of robotic technology in the operating room. Beyond surgery, AI's potential in patient monitoring and care is equally impressive. AI-powered robots can continuously track vital signs, analyze data in real time, and alert healthcare professionals to any concerning changes. This proactive approach enables timely interventions, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. For instance, robots equipped with AI algorithms can assist in managing chronic conditions by reminding patients to take medications or guiding them through rehabilitation exercises. Moreover, robots can alleviate the workload of healthcare professionals by handling routine tasks such as data entry, inventory management, and even patient transport within hospitals. This allows medical staff to focus more on direct patient care, fostering a more compassionate and attentive healthcare environment. As AI robots continue to evolve, their role in healthcare will expand, leading to more efficient systems, improved patient experiences, and ultimately, a healthier society. The future of healthcare is not just about technology, it's about enhancing the human touch in medicine. Education and learning. The educational landscape is on the brink of a significant transformation, thanks to the rise of AI robots that are set to redefine how students learn and interact with knowledge. One notable example is Squirrel AI, an intelligent tutoring system that adapts to individual learning styles and paces. By analyzing a student's strengths and weaknesses, AI tutors can provide tailored lessons that cater specifically to their needs. This personalized approach not only enhances understanding, but also fosters a sense of ownership over the learning process. AI robots are also capable of creating immersive learning experiences that engage students in ways traditional methods cannot. For instance, interactive robots can facilitate group projects, simulate real-world scenarios, or even conduct virtual field trips, making learning more dynamic and enjoyable. This increased engagement is crucial, as studies show that when students are actively involved in their education, knowledge retention improves significantly. Moreover, the integration of AI in education allows for continuous feedback and assessment, enabling educators to monitor progress in real time and adjust their teaching strategies accordingly. This data-driven approach empowers both teachers and students, creating a collaborative environment where learning is optimized. As AI robots become more prevalent in classrooms, they will not only enhance educational outcomes, but also prepare students for a future where technology and human interaction coexist harmoniously. The potential for AI to revolutionize education is immense, paving the way for a more informed and capable generation. Workplace transformation. The future workplace is set to undergo a profound transformation driven by the integration of AI robots, fundamentally reshaping how industries operate. Automation is already making significant strides in sectors like manufacturing and logistics, where robots are taking over repetitive and labor-intensive tasks. This shift not only increases efficiency, but also reduces human error, leading to higher quality products and faster turnaround times. For instance, automated assembly lines can produce goods at an unprecedented pace, allowing companies to meet consumer demands more effectively. In addition to full automation, collaborative robots, or cobots, are emerging as valuable partners for human workers. These robots are designed to work alongside people, enhancing productivity without replacing the human touch. Cobots can assist in tasks such as lifting heavy objects, managing inventory, or even performing quality checks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This collaboration fosters a more dynamic work environment where technology and human skills complement each other. However, as AI robots become more prevalent, there is an increasing need for new skills in the evolving job market. Workers will need to adapt by acquiring technical skills related to AI and robotics, as well as soft skills like problem solving and emotional intelligence. Embracing lifelong learning will be essential for individuals to thrive in this changing landscape. As we move forward, the successful integration of AI robots in the workplace will not only enhance productivity, but also redefine the roles and skills required for future careers. Ethical considerations. As AI-powered robots become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, it is crucial to address the ethical implications that accompany this technological advancement. One of the primary concerns is job displacement. As robots take over tasks traditionally performed by humans, many workers may find themselves facing unemployment or the need to transition to new roles. This shift raises questions about the responsibility of companies and governments to provide support and retraining for affected individuals, ensuring that the workforce can adapt to the changing job landscape. Another significant ethical concern revolves around privacy. With AI robots capable of collecting vast amounts of data, there is a risk of misuse or unauthorized access to personal information. As these technologies become more prevalent in homes and workplaces, it is essential to establish robust guidelines and regulations to protect individuals' privacy rights and ensure that data is handled responsibly. The importance of responsible AI development cannot be overstated. Developers and policymakers must prioritize ethical considerations in the design and implementation of AI systems, fostering transparency and accountability. This includes engaging diverse stakeholders in discussions about the societal impact of AI, ensuring that a wide range of perspectives is considered. As viewers, it is vital to think critically about technology's role in society. By examining the ethical implications of AI-powered robots, we can better understand their potential benefits and challenges. Encouraging open dialogue about these issues will help shape a future where technology serves humanity while upholding our values and principles. As we look ahead to 2030, the transformative potential of AI-powered robots is becoming increasingly clear. From revolutionizing healthcare with advanced surgical systems to enhancing home automation and reshaping the educational landscape, these technologies are set to redefine our daily lives. We've explored how AI robots can improve efficiency in industries like manufacturing and logistics, while also highlighting the ethical considerations that come with their integration into society. The need for responsible AI development and the importance of equipping the workforce with new skills are crucial as we navigate this evolving landscape. Staying informed about these technological advancements is essential for understanding their impact on our lives and the world around us. As AI continues to evolve, being aware of its implications will empower us to make informed decisions and engage in meaningful discussions about the future. If you found this exploration of AI-powered robots insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest technological trends. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also be interested in the fascinating world of AI. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community of informed individuals ready to embrace the future. Together, let's stay curious and proactive as we step into this exciting new era shaped by AI and robotics.